it's Flying Joel One Gear Spirits. We are back at ACCO at the drag strip. My buddy has his new BMW M5. He said, listen, I got you today, man. I don't know, we'll see what happens. All-wheel drive, 600 plus horsepower, twin turbo, V8. He's got all types of cool stuff, but we bought the Hulk on kill mode today. That's right, we have the new Nitto NTO5R we got on there. Let's check it. Yeah, buddy, he already got it running. JLT colder intake. So that's one thing we do have. This is the first time the Hulk is running with his new mod, but still, again, stock tune, stock calibration. He's got full exhaust, remember that. JLT colder intake. Oh, that's right. He's not a full exhaust. This is not a stock BMW M5. We got full exhaust on this thing. Hold up. He's got air filters up in here. Wait a minute. He hustled me. Let's look at this car. Hold on 1 second. BMW M Power. Project Gamma. Wait a minute. I'm the Hulk over here. What you mean Gamma? What is this, dude? This is a full bolt-on BMW M5 right here. Yo, you bolted on these intakes, dude. Oh, what is it? Like, we got intakes here. I got, oh, shoot. Look at this thing.
That shit's for
That ain't stock. You told me it was a stock car, dude.
Pull up the spec sheet, boy. That's on it.
Tell me about your stockish M5.
Man, it's a stock M5. I have the intakes for sound, a catback for sound, and that's it.
Cool.
It's a stock.
Stock M5 2020 competition.
I mean, it's cosmetics. It's lowered on HR springs. We powder coated the rims. We got the carbon fiber wing. Custom Coatings did his thing as always with the tinted tail lights and wrapped the whole front of the car in PPF.
If you guys don't know, Joe had a mid 9-second Mustang GT. Whippled that he got rid of it. What made you jump from a Mustang that ran 9s to this M5?
Just wanted something reliable. I mean, the Mustang was kind of reliable. What did you say?
You said you were scared of the power.
You know, first of all, until you ever beat any of my cars, you can't say I was scared of anything. That's the first thing. You keep saying that. I ran my car many times and got kicked off the track every time I ran it. I was never scared of the power. Never, not once.
Dude, you can't take a joke to save your phone.
Yeah, get it out. Get it.
You keep saying you're scared of power.
Car spent 30 grand. You can't beat me.
You gotta beat my 11-second car first.
But yeah, so you put the exhaust on there. Is it just a catback or what is it?
It's a catback.
Just a catback.
Catback.
Because you wanted to keep your warranty, right? You didn't want to.
Yeah, I just want to keep the warranty.
Yeah.
I just wanted something that was I could put my kid in. I go to the track, have a little fun. We get on the street. I mean, you've seen it on the street.
On the street.
Cars around.
On the street, it's a killer. Now, I'll be real with you. I'm racing on the drag strip, but on the street, this car is all-wheel drive. It's good night because this car.
Yeah, it's twin turbo V8 with 617 horsepower.
And that's underrated, right?
That's underrated. Yeah. Most dudes are dynoing like 590.
So yeah.
In that ballpark.
So. Yeah, the BMW M5 competition community is pretty strong. I mean, you guys have seen them tuned to running like low 10s, probably.
Oh yeah, I mean the fastest one that I've seen so far was a 950.
Ooh.
There's plenty of dudes that are running like low 10s, 10-1s, 10-0s, 10-2s, and then you have a few dudes that I saw that are running high 9s. I'm sure there's way more.
What's your goal? Are you goal to do that or just enjoy stock?
I mean, my goal is just to enjoy the car and turn it back in when the lease is up.
All right, sounds good. So we'll see. All right, man. Let's see what happens. A lot of drama. What? He wants to hit.
You want the hit? It's good. That's fine. That's good. Huh? Oh, great.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best not to red light, man. I don't know this launch control yet, dude. I only did it that one time. And I definitely ain't sitting there waiting so it looks like he beat me by 1,000 cars.
This is him saying that he's gonna lose on the light.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know the
on the line for Max. All right, if you don't need somebody down there, we ask that, you just come up on.
Thank you. All right, so Hulk went at 10.8 at 131. There we go. And the BMW went 11.2 at 124. So pretty much no contest. But you know, that was to be considered. So let's pull right here and see what the guy has to say.
My 60 was worse than it was. The first 60 I got was a 168.
You want to run it back, or are you good?
I went 11.1 the first time. This is 11.2.
Yeah, I feel like this.
They were the same though.
Yeah.
This part of the air is just getting worse, bro. We run the first game for 2 hours.
I saw you were trying to cut that light, bro. 0.1. 0.1. I got 0.19.
As soon as the first yellow lights up, I got to hit the brake and just.
Yeah. And you know what's cool about this too is we had the same 60. It wasn't until the 8th where I started to pull away.
Oh, you got the horsepower. Right?
Yeah, that's the horsepower.
You're gonna always backhand play.
Yep. All right, you want to go back to staging lanes, or are you Gucci?
I don't want to be stuck here for 3 hours waiting to race.
Yeah. All right, well, let me grab my GoPro. All right, so. Uh-oh. Well, you know what's cool? This is what we learned, right? Is cars are very similar out the hole, but of course the horsepower of the 500 kind of took over. So that's what happened on that angle. But anyways, good race, good fun. The 500 is pretty much no contest for a BMW M5 competition. You know, he has exhaust and a little bit of a air filters. I have a JLT intake and a tire and a resonant delete. So kind of is very similar as far as like small changes. Of course, I have the seat out, but the power comes on and it's no contest. Anyways, drag racing is here, guys. Please like and subscribe. We'll have more fun with more cars, more competition, more racing versus all that good stuff. So stay locked in.
So the first 60 was a 168, second was a 175. I used launch control on both.
So you went 11.1 and 11.2, but remember, and I went 10.8, but in better air, I went 10.5.
Exactly.
So you're a 10.8, 10.9 car yourself.
It should be.
That's still fast, dude.
Huge.
I made one mistake. I wasn't launching at full launch control like an idiot. I forgot to reset it. I launched at 2,800. Great. These tires, listen, shout out to Tyler. Yo, no shake, no rumble.
They're clean, dude.
So clean, dude. Oh, I gotta check the PSI.
At 140, they're just
smooth. Next pass, I'm gonna launch at all the marbles.
All the guts. Yep.
Yeah, I forgot. There was so much going on. I forgot to change it.
People sleep on them.
I mean,
great for the
I basically race you like a little bit like handicap,
they're
but
quiet and they do twisties and they're great for the track.
Yeah,
I wish I could turn up the launch control on my car. You can't.
What does it launch at all the time?
28.
Oh.
20, well, if I could set it, I would set that bitch 30.
I have 400 more RPM to go, so we're gonna launch it higher.